In the hustle and bustle of our modern world, we often find ourselves pondering over existential questions. What is the essence of a good life? How do we discern right from wrong? These timeless inquiries have been at the heart of philosophical discourse for centuries, with ancient philosophers laying the groundwork for the principles that still influence our minds today. Join us as we embark on an intriguing journey through history to explore how ancient thinkers have shaped our modern mindset. Let us begin with Socrates, the classical Greek philosopher known for his profound impact on Western thought. Socrates introduced the dialectical method of inquiry, driven by the belief that knowledge and virtue were intertwined. Through a series of sharp and probing questions, he encouraged individuals to critically examine their beliefs. This method, now known as the Socratic Method, remains a cornerstone in modern education and discourse, encouraging us to question assumptions and seek deeper understanding in our pursuit of truth. Transitioning to Plato, a student of Socrates, we delve into the realm of idealism. Plato envisioned a world where justice and truth were paramount, beyond the reach of sensory experience, encapsulated in his theory of forms. This philosophical concept posited that the material world is merely a shadow of an immaterial realm of perfect ideas. Such contemplation invites us to consider the possibilities beyond tangible realities, shaping our notions of ideal societies and ethical frameworks that strive for justice and equity. Moreover, let us not overlook Aristotle, a polymath who challenged Plato's theories and rooted philosophy in the study of nature and logic. Through his meticulous observations, Aristotle advocated for empiricism, suggesting that knowledge is acquired through sensory experience. His work laid the foundation for scientific method and ethics as we know them, influencing disciplines ranging from biology to political theory. Modern scientific inquiry owes much of its rigor to Aristotle's legacy, encouraging a relentless pursuit of empirical evidence and rational analysis. As we journey eastward, we encounter the wisdom of Confucius, whose teachings centered on morality, family, and societal harmony. The Confucian emphasis on filial piety and reciprocity persists in contemporary discussions about social responsibility and ethical leadership, reminding us of the importance of interpersonal relationships and communal well-being. Advancing through the ages, we arrive at the Stoics, such as Seneca and Marcus Aurelius, who advocated for resilience in the face of adversity, emphasizing the significance of inner virtue over external circumstances. In our fast-paced lives, the Stoic wisdom of embracing impermanence and focusing on what lies within our control continues to resonate, fostering mental fortitude and equanimity amidst life's turbulence. The symphony of ancient philosophical thought is diverse, yet interconnected, weaving a tapestry of ideas that continue to shape modern consciousness. From logical inquiry and ethical frameworks to metaphysical musings and reflections on human nature, these ancient philosophers have etched indelible marks on the canvas of our intellectual heritage. As we conclude, let us pause and reflect on how these timeless philosophies still guide our introspections and decision-making. By immersing ourselves in the wisdom of the past, we gain valuable perspectives for navigating the complexities of the present and the uncertainties of the future. Through the insights of ancient philosophers, we can continue to cultivate a well-rounded, enlightened mindset, echoing the eternal quest for knowledge and virtue that defines the human experience.